Then I him see him when me see gather around the youth them and take picture. And I say everything quell.
We call that damage control. Just cosmetic, you know, to dress up the situation.
I want to tell you, sir, that's why I not deal with politics, bad man. I want to see all my little 15-year-old family charging. Left gone pan politician chop what they and even get $1. I drop a little juvenile drop off and dead charging. Next thing you know, a funeral you have to go plan for now. You see a big joke thing that bad man. We not deal with politics around here, so bad man. No time.
Well, I understand your pain. And really, I have to give condolences on behalf of the bereaved family still. But brothers, I wouldn't exactly endorse say, do not deal with politics, because politics is a necessary evil, if you can call it that. We need to exercise more sense in dealing with and navigating the tricks of corrupt politicians. You with me?
Well, me always hear them saying that the politics corrupting a king, man. A politician.
And the people who allow themselves to be used and manipulated by politicians. You understand? Because in truth, you know, we need to be a part of the political process. Especially elections. Don't get into this idea about we not deal with that, because then you will make other people decide for you who lead you.
So King, what you say? Politics them a try use and divide it. So them can move in and do for them thing.
That is one of the possibilities we have to look at. Divide and rule is a foolish plan. But we know enough to be fool and make them overcome.
So because them can't get to use, them a bring in people. Them a move like such who them are the ruling class and we are the fooling class.
All we have to do is wise up and man up. Don't do what them expect.
Yo, watch your style, watch your style, watch your style. Oh, squad here, yo. Long one see you, you know how to grades there.
No.
So I have one. You know, it's a different ball game today. But I want to talk to him and then, see?
Squad. Different style of popcorn with the one. Sorry, more man.
Boy. You know, we have to change it up sometime. You know, so it look like over here gets steamy. Well, it's steamy. You know, there's a fire going over here. Yeah, man, I know. But what you hear about it?
Well, as far as I hear from the fire personnel, them a plan for all to do some evacuation of people because of smoke hazard. Where you hear?
Yo, this is something I go on every year too, you know. You have some brimstone over there. When the time hot, you see me? Sun catch that.
Yeah, brimstone catch fire, yes. But you don't use gas to catch it, though.
So, squaddy, how you say? A smarty light it?
Some new face in the place. And I realize, say, them really not have our language. I have a strong feeling, say, them have everything to do with what go on in that place.
So tell me, you did able to identify the language we hear?
I'm not so versatile on the language thing, you know. But it have a French song. What really make me wonder, the man them black.
So, yeah, say, some black Frenchman in our community.
I don't like how that sound.
I could have French or Italian. I feel like I'm afraid to give them a Colombian necktie.
Gentlemen, I want to realize where we are dealing with here. Foreigners with that different language band in a garrison community angle high power weapons, this is a matter of grave concern.
Go tell your lover that you've been getting your love from me, yeah. You found another, and that's okay if you're honest, babe.
Here you go. Bon appetit.
It's hot. Where we can put it?
Well, I know where I can put something.
Perfect. This.
Oh, this can go right here. So, yeah, colors go.
Jamaica colors.
Yeah. Want to color something else?
Carlton stop. And start something you can't finish.
Me well want finish. Are you a roll out?
Yeah, but remember we had a deal. Dinner first, and then I'll see if you live up to your words.
But I didn't that. So, the deal.
As in a restaurant, Carlton?
Alright. Okay. I understand.
That's it?
That's what?
No fighting, no begging? You just understand, sir?
So, and that did I expect?
But every time you come on me, will you come look for me, you want to tear off my clothes and all of a sudden you just understand? Oh, you get some from one of your eggs.
What? Why did I say that?
I don't make. I'm just curious why you give up so easily.
May I respect your wishes?
You're right. Men are led by testosterone.
So, because I not fight you and try to force you, that means I get some from my ex?
I said one of your eggs. But are you want to make it specific? Is there one or is there someone?
You know what? I could change the subject. Because you are taking too far now.
Don't worry yourself. So me give you some. We will know if you give it any.
What? It's not easy, you know. You serious? What? That possible? You can know for true?
You know what? I could change the topic. Because they act weird. Anyways, how's the major project?
Yeah, George.
Lady Jane, lady of the week, what are going on for today?
Now you say you want fish? Yeah, man, I eat me there, you look after.
Yeah? Say less. Here I go on. Now I have a little stop for me. Now I just deal with that. I'm like a knock you when I fall. Yeah, baby girl?
Yeah, just call me when you're there on your way. Like 5 minutes away so I can have you prepared for it when you reach.
Alright.
Alright, baby.
Yo, my boy, I want you to watch this. Yeah, you see this? A flower here and a bed of roses. Every man of them one concept, me done. Remember, yeah?
I'm supposed to meet with Tony today so we can finalize some things.
Carlton, but aren't you concerned about the uprise in violence in that area?
Well, yeah. And we put it to him, but him think it's just a phase. And when the project actually start construction, it will benefit the locals.
So he's from over there?
No. Remember me tell you say him was overseas for a while and him just return home.
So how is he so sure about what will happen over there? Aren't you supposed to be the more knowledgeable one on that?
You have a point.
Sounds like he knows something you don't.
Like what? Nah, man. Over there, so then you they have my youth them, and me always don't want to go on them ground.
More.
Well, we want to keep a little get together birthday party. Yeah, friend of mine are doing things, so.
Yeah, man, and that me here. I ain't look my circle for 6 scale, but you don't know. When you depend on them, I have to give you a power segue, because you don't know, you know, we go way back down.
Sure.
Yeah, man, so all business.
Well, up and down. As usual. Yeah.
That's why I'm doing a baby girl. I appreciate everyone who bring business in the community.
Sure.
Yeah.
It's the greatest.
This right there, yeah. Yeah, man, much respect. Yeah, man, I'm going to take me there. If I need you, I give him like a shout, but just there I want, you know, maybe make sure to work my charge. You see? Blessing, baby girl.
Yeah, man, because you know the thing go, man, I fully code, the thing code up there.
See that?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I'm not telling you, say, watch out now. You have to look at one in the place where now I want you to pay special attention to any little strange place, any little fumble double. Judgment, what me say?
And you won't know in yourself saying about man. Leopard never change them spot yet, you know.
Alright.
So you don't know what go on. At the end of the day, I love what you say.
Yeah.
But we need to work on it, dog.
Do that face, eh?
Yo, father, King man.
Bro. What you say? So you don't know none of that? Alright, don't say fat, say less.
Let me ask you something. Do you have any doubts about this project?
Not doubts about the project. More like concerns about what is the root of the problem over there.
But have you expressed this to him?
Kinda.
Well, maybe if you did take on the small projects when we did our research, you wouldn't be in this bind.
You can't help yourself, you know. Me that wait how long it'll take for you to throw a shade.
It's not a shade. It was very direct.
Yes, you were. You know what? That I like about you. It's direct. Straight to the point.
Nobody try to sweet me up. Because they put me on the back burner.
Yeah, I mean, why you put me on your front?
You got jokes. You don't want to front. Because I know we can't go on the double date where you promise to take me on.
In babe. It's like every time him just busy. But here, right, it's when I see him today. We're gonna set a time, date, and place.
Okay, that's so.
I promise you.
Good. Cause it they have weights.
Don't remind me, please. How would that?
Excuse me?
Whoa. I forget so jittery. I joke I make. Just I practice my jealous streak.
Please, cause that not fit you.
So you say, over here say you see him?
Yeah, man, right there, so I see him.
Okay. So him are the new juggler up on the block?
Nobody not gonna steal. I'm still highest grade.
Highest grade. You don't know grades yet, man. So you know what him look like?
Me take one picture with him, but it's not too clear.
So go on, yes. You need a better phone, man. Hear more, you know. Try get a better picture. Zin, or even closer. Try get a better picture. You can do that?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so when you leave, see the higher grades. Just take out that bag there. Zin, CXC them up, that came. Well done. Big up.
You know, say, you know, tell me how you survive after you leave the office work.
I've been doing some personal assistant work for a small corporation, but it's really mostly work from home.
And that'll work out okay? Financially, I mean.
Yes, it is so far, but if it no work out, my man will take care of me.
Your man?
Really?
Oh, of course. Your man.
You know what? Come here, mom. Let's have an online meeting.
Okay.
Brother, I can't make you pretty big. Eh? Dime bags of weed.
Every mickle make a muckle for me, bossy.
Well, you look like me I work with the wrong person. Because your little mickle will make a big muckle for me.
Or yourself about that, man. I have this gov. Right?
But brother, the work what me give you, it no gov. Because the Asian them a run up and down like headless chicken.
I tell you if I make me deal with one of them youth here, you know. Just one. Just make an example out of just one.
Brother, you know say you don't understand. Them they have their reason. So me I gonna need people like you to make sure say everything runs good. You get me?
Yeah, but what you give them for do? Me could angle that.
There's a method to the madness. You know they're in the system. Exactly. So we have to use people when they're in the system when nobody not gonna know.
So now that you know much work it take me for hide them after them do them one whole heap of madness. Plus, me can't even talk to them, me can't even understand them.
Brother, you not for understand them. You just want full control over them. And you're the man, you're highly recommended, you know.
You have to remember say me work different when it come to them thing, you know. Shake up ground, you know. The overs.
Welcome to the big league, brother. Over here, sir, run under order. I can't even tell you how much millions it cost me to get in them rifle there. So me can't have them a run up and down with my thing them like a loose-head chicken, yeah? And your job to control them.
Worry yourself. We have fixed things.
Right now, me a worry about a shipment. But if you reach me, can't hear from the brother.
Which one are you supplier them?
No, the African boy, man, where they are New York, Amado.